Today we're going to work on Blizzard Blues, and we're going to play it first all the way through. Let's do it. Okay guys, let's clap and count. We're going to start at the very beginning. Clapping and counting measures 1 through 12. 2, ready, count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1. Okay, trombones. The notes you have are C, C, B flat, C, C. C, C, B, B, C, C. F, F, E, E, F, F, E flats. C, C, B, B, C, C, B flats. G, G, F, F, G, F, F, E flat, E, E, F, C, C, B, B, C, C. Make sure you're playing B flat, E flat, and A flat. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we are actually gonna put my part on and we're gonna buzz with it, okay guys? So take your mouthpieces and here we go, we're gonna buzz. Oh. Okay, and the same thing repeats, by the way, in measures 13 through 25. So the exact same thing happens twice. Now what we're going to do is we're going to play it, and since it happens twice, we are going to play measures 1 through 24. So it does do it twice. Here we go. Okay, now at 25, we're going to clap and count measures 25 all the way to 37. 37 to 49 is the exact same thing that we played just a moment ago, okay? So we have the A theme is measures 1 through 12. We hear it again, measures 13 through 24 is the A theme. 25 to 27 is a B theme. This is new, okay? And then 37 to 49 is the A theme again, okay? And then we have a new theme at 49, which is C, and then it goes back to the A theme at 61 all the way to the end. So we have some of the same themes. Now let's go to 25. This is the B theme. Let's actually clap and count it. B. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Now we're gonna buzz that. Just for trombones here at 25, you're playing C, D, E flat, D, C, B flat, C, D, E flat, D, C, C, yep, C, D, E flat, D, C, B flat, C, D, E flat, D, C, and you're kind of doing those same notes over and over again. We're gonna buzz it though with our mouthpieces at 25. This is the B theme, B theme. Buzz this with your part playing. I mistakenly didn't do that, but put your part on and buzz it with that my part on in Smart Music. Now let's play it. Here we go. Guess what? At 37, we go right back to the A theme. We've done this before. So actually, let's just play it because we've played the A theme a bunch of times, 2 times already. So A theme again at 37. Set. Same thing. Different. This is the C theme, so this is a different theme. Here we go. Let's clap and count it. 1, 2, clap and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1. Okay, so now let's take a look at that at trombone land, which is at 49. You're playing C, B flat, C, 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 E flat, C, B flat, C, 2, 3, 4, C, B flat, C, 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 E flat, C, B flat, C, 2, 3, 4, C, B flat, C, 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 E flat, G, 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 G. All right, now we're gonna buzz it. Let's buzz this part. Take your mouthpiece. I'm gonna put my part on so I can hear the sound and the pitch of the correct notes. Here we go, 49. Okay, this time we're gonna play it. Here we go, 49, and this is theme C. Theme C, okay? Okay, let's try it. Here we go, 49, everybody. A lot like the very beginning. We're going to play kind of the very beginning theme again, which is theme A. Okay, everything is the same except for the last two measures, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That's the only part that's different. So we're going to go ahead and play 61 because this is the theme A theme. This is the same theme. Okay guys, I hope you have fun with this and I look forward to hearing you either play online or at school. Bye guys!